Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to access Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy section. Following that, choose Permission Manager and click on one of those options that you wish to manage, in my case Camera. Then select an app, in this case Browser, and click on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, I can set Browser gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go with Location in order to manage my calendar. Now select See all calendar permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!